Pearland, Texas Pressure Washing, a division of ViperTech Mobile Pressure Wash. We're a veteran-owned business that you can definitely trust. We offer residential pressure washing services, commercial pressure washing services. Why choose Pearland, Texas Pressure Washing? We're a veteran-owned business. We're fully insured. We offer low, affordable rates. We have uniformed employees. We offer free, no-pressure quotes with a 100% money-back guarantee. Look no further. We are the best in Pearland, Texas. If you're interested in getting a free power washing estimate, free of charge, call our office phone at 832-374-7235 or email us at service@vtmobilepressurewash.com. You can also request a free online quote by visiting our webpage at www.vtmobilepressurewash.com. We look forward to hearing from you.